Hey, welcome friends, Kat right here. So I'm so excited for this video because I'm out here doing some winterizing in my yard and I get to go and cut these grass plants and tear up all these irises. Definitely very, very healthy for those plants to keep them pulled up and cut down around winter season, but it is so beautiful out here. I'm so glad to be here, so stick around. Decorative grass plants come in many shapes and sizes. I've got 5 for smaller sized ones. I'm gonna chop off the top. I got a big bushy one back there. That one's the hardest one to take down. Then I got my arborvitaes all lined along there. I love this along the border, kind of creates some privacy and some border. One great thing about decorative grass is it's extremely drought tolerant, which is great for Utah where I live, and it grows very fast. And it is a perennial, so we'll come back every year. I've got my ego to get this job done. So let's get to work. Got my earplugs for some personal protection. Okay, we got them all chopped down, at least the small ones, and we gotta rake them up. So I got those 5 smaller decorative grass plants down real quickly. Now I'm gonna go for the big bush one that's a little more messy. Okay, well, I got all of those grass plants down. Now I just need to get my garbage can is basically full, but I'll just fill it up as much as I can, then I'll just start putting the rest of the stuff in a pile. I am going to go back behind the grass plant along the fence to trim that to keep it out of my neighbor's yard. This is my row of irises. You can see they all are laying flat for winter season upon us. And these are so beautiful in the summertime when they're blooming, but I'm gonna go and I'm gonna grab them and just pull them because they're in there, but they're basically dead. You just gotta pull on them. Got all of my irises pulled up and in the garbage. There's me, say hi. Well friends, I am all done with this project. That is wonderful. Got all those grass plants chopped down and got all my irises pulled up, and those chickens are having fun over there. Now that I just worked hard, I get to go play hard. I'm gonna go inside and just hang out and be with Josh and Shiloh. So I've had a wonderful day. I hope you've had a wonderful day also. And remember, work hard, play hard, and like and subscribe. It really helps me.